Isebe lezemali osomashishini abazukayo wephondo le-Mpuma Kapa bangongelene ICC e-Monti namhlanje nalapho bashukuxe uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali olwenziwe ngumphathiswa wezemali u-Mlungisi Mvoko. Ngentseni namhlanje lisebe libize amashishini amakhulu kunye nasakhasayo kwingxoxo yezigidi zerandi zephondo. Umfama waseMonti uthi bayaludinga ngamandla uncedo lukarhulumente.
Government is already supporting subsistence farmers, but it is not enough, as you know, that there won't be any that much big money to support all the farmers. But then, if then they can improve and sit down with farmers and find ways that they can assist farmers and reduce the red tape that is there, that is causing the farmers not to tap into the funding.
Osomashishini banikwe ithuba lokuthetha ngezimvo zabo mayela nokukhulisa uqoqosho lweliphondo.
There is what we called the National Summit for Small Enterprises and Cooperatives, which is also one of the pillar 4 of this very same strategy. Pillar 4 really talks about the partnership element. Hearing those voices, as we mentioned, that if whatever we program or develop is not being responsive in terms of the voices of those we seek to serve, will be self-serving. So this November, during the Global Entrepreneurship Week, there will be this summit.
Umphathiswa Mvoko uthi kuninzi ekusafuneka kwenziwe liphondo le-Mpuma Kapa ekukhuliseni uqoqosho.
However, we spoke at length about government efforts that seek to recover and reconstruct the economy. Key to that was the support this government is providing to MSMEs. We reported that 56% of the province goods and service budget went to the Eastern Cape MSMEs in the last 5 years. Now, provincial department spent a total of 76.7 billion on goods and services.
I-95.4 yezigidi zerandi eyabelwe iphondo le-Mpuma Kapa ngurhulumente kazwelonke. Amasebe afumene isabelo esikhulu lisebe lezempilo kunye nesebe lezemfundo. Kwindaba ze-MPK ndingulumka bhekindawo ndiseMonti.